Aloha, my name is Nalani and we're here at the Mai Kai restaurant in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. In this clip, we're going to talk about how to make flower leis. There are many different kinds of leis. There are money leis, penny leis, candy leis, double leis, haku leis, but you how to do a simple flower lei. Okay, the materials that we need are first of all string. I like using this kind of string, but you could also use dental floss or raffia. Then of course we need a scissors to cut the string with and a needle. Okay, I use the longest needle that I can find. It's easier to string the flowers onto. And then we have our flowers. Today I'm using orchids, but you can use any kind of lei to make a flower lei. I mean, any kind of flower to make a. Okay, first we open our package. And we take out our flowers. And on this particular flower, you're going to remove the stem. Okay, just take off the stem and you string your string. I measure out the string from the end of my arm all the way across my chest to my other shoulder. As you can see, we've already threaded our needle, so now we're going to start stringing our flowers onto our string. And what you do is you put the needle through the bottom of the flower, then up through the top. And on an orchid, it's important to come through the little bud of the orchid so the flower stays sturdy on your string. Pull the flower all the way through to the end. Then you get your next flower, take off the stem again, thread it to the bottom, through the bud on top, string it to the end. Now, when you get to the first flower, you want to place this flower right into the first flower, just like that. Very gently because the flowers break easily. And you want to line them up nicely so that they're all in the same direction so it makes a prettier lei. After you've strung all the flowers together, you'll eventually have this beautiful flower lei. That's how you make a flower lei. This is Nalani from the Mai Kai restaurant in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Thank you for watching.